The Very Hungry Backlog, a story about everything your buildings need and where it all goes. In the corner of the maintenance office, a small backlog woke up. It had 3 work orders and a bad feeling. On Monday, it ate 1 leaking drinking fountain, but it was still hungry. On Tuesday, it ate 2 HVAC tickets and a flickering gym light, but it was still hungry. On Wednesday, it ate 3 overdue inspections, a summer rental double booked in the cafeteria, and an energy bill nobody opened. But it was still hungry. On Thursday, it ate a boiler that had been fine last winter, a purchase request lost in an inbox, and a retiring technician's 30 years of notes. But it was still hungry. On Friday, it ate a spreadsheet. Then it ate the spreadsheet that tracked the first spreadsheet. That night, the backlog had a stomach ache. So on Saturday, the school did something different. It put work orders, inspections, events, energy, and inventory all in one place. Every request had an owner. Every asset had a history. Every dollar had a building. The backlog got smaller and smaller. It wasn't a monster anymore. It was just a list, and someone was finally on top of it. Now the facilities director walks into the budget meeting with a chart, not a bellyache. The boiler was flagged 6 months early. The rental invoice sent itself. Energy use went down. Your backlog doesn't have to run your school. See what your operations could look like in one connected platform. Click below to get your personalized walkthrough and see for yourself.